Hello! Today, let us make a wreath on the theme of Diwali. Welcome to Sparklebox. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please go through it. I'm sure you'll be loving the content. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. That's going live from 27th to 31st October. Quickly check the description below and participate in the quiz to get eligible for monthly giveaways and also grab some exciting coupon codes for yourself. I'll be back with another interesting announcement. Until then, stay tuned with us. With your friends and family. If you want us to try any DIYs, let us know in the comment section below. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, let's stay connected with Sparklebox.